Did you know real estate is one of the only assets where you can completely avoid paying taxes up to $500,000 in profits? So the IRS has a tax code which allows you to legally not pay taxes on real estate gains up to $500,000. This is unlike many other asset classes like stocks, crypto, even retirement accounts like IRA, gold. All of these, you gotta pay some form of tax on your gains. With real estate, if you buy a house and you live in it for 2 out of the last 5 years, you can avoid paying taxes on $250,000 in gains if you're single, or $500,000 if you're married. I did this myself. I bought a place, lived in it for 2 years, moved out, didn't live there for the following 2.5 years. I lived there for 2, moved out for 2.5, sold it for a profit, and 100% of my profit was tax free. I didn't have to pay a single dollar in taxes with this IRS tax code. So the requirements to avoid paying taxes legally on that program, it has to be your primary residence for 2 out of the last 5 years. Now you can also avoid paying taxes on real estate through the 1031 exchange, which means you own an investment property, you sell it, you take the proceeds from the sale and the profits and you roll that into another investment property. You have to do it within 45 to 90 days to avoid paying taxes, but essentially you can buy a property for $200,000. It can go up to $500,000, which is $300,000 in profit. As long as you sell that and then immediately put that money into another investment property, you pay no taxes. Another reason why real estate is one of the best places to invest compared to any other asset class, because again, with all of these other asset classes, you have to pay some kind of tax.